Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to tell you how many RAM slots this laptop has. So in order to check the RAM slots number, let's right click the taskbar, go to the task manager, then performance section, open the memory tab, and as you can see we have the information about the slots used as well as the form factor of the slots. And as you can see, the form factor is raw or chips, which means that this laptop doesn't have any RAM sticks or RAM slots inside of it. Instead, it uses integrated RAM memory. It uses chips instead of sticks. And as you can see, it uses 8 slots of 2 gigabytes RAM chips, which is technically equal to 2 RAM sticks, but generally this laptop doesn't have any RAM slots in it. So I hope that this video answers your question, and if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.